We want to set a new standard for Ohio.
She lost her son nearly a year ago to an accident on a ride at the Ohio State Fair. Now, she has a plan to change state law.
Attending opening day of the fair was family tradition for Tyler Gerald. Evan Millward talked to Gerald's mother. She has plans to get her cause in front of hundreds of fairgoers.
Amber Duffield is focused now on one thing, a mission to make rides like these safer. It didn't happen in time to save her son's life, and it didn't happen in time for the opening of this year's state fair.
He got his painted rock today.
Amber Duffield comes to Greenlawn Cemetery every day, sometimes more than once.
I tell him about things that have happened or things that are going on, like he knew you were coming.
She also tells him he is still making a difference. Tyler Gerald should be at Marine boot camp right now. Instead, his mother is forced to relive the hours of waiting for police to arrive at her door.
They didn't get to my porch before they told me what happened, that my son wasn't coming home. I greeted them.
The fireball, corrosion not caught by inspections, broke apart, killing Tyler and injuring 7 others.
Anger, yes. Hurt, yes. All of those emotions go round and round, but they're not productive.
At the State House, Tyler's law appears stalled.
I think we need to make sure that we're testing the metal to make sure it's not tempered or, twisted in any way.
But there definitely is some emotion attached to the fact that this didn't get what we feel like taken more seriously.
At the fairgrounds today, inspections continue. Amusement of America has brought in a third-party inspector too and dumped rides from the maker of the fireball. Plus, the state is beefing up training and daily checklists, and Amber Duffield is not giving up.
I don't want anybody else to have that, because that was terrible.
Duffield and the rest of Tyler Gerald's family will be inside tomorrow as the state fair opens in matching Tyler's Law t-shirts, just to have a presence. His girlfriend, a UC student who suffered traumatic brain injury on the fireball, is expected to be here as well. At the Ohio Expo Center in Columbus, I'm Evan Millward, 9 on your side.